Hey everyone, it's TechDevil here. It's time to dive into the latest hype in the tech world, the iQoo Pad 2 Pro. If you're a gadget enthusiast, you're in for a treat. Let's break down everything you need to know about this powerhouse device. First up, the display. The iQoo Pad 2 Pro comes with a stunning 11-inch AMOLED display. That's about 27.94 centimeters for those who prefer metric. It boasts a resolution of 2560 x 1600 pixels, giving you crystal clear visuals and vibrant colors. Now under the hood, this beast is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. That's Qualcomm's latest and greatest, ensuring top-notch performance and efficiency. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, this pad handles it all with ease. Speaking of multitasking, the iQoo Pad 2 Pro offers up to 12 GB of RAM. That's right, 12 GB. It comes in two variants, 8 GB and 12 GB, so you can choose according to your needs. And for storage, you get options of 128 GB or 256 GB. Plenty of space for all your apps, games, and media. Now let's talk about the camera setup. On the back, you've got a 13-megapixel main camera along with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, perfect for capturing those stunning landscapes or group shots. On the front, there's an 8-megapixel selfie camera for all your video calls and selfies. Color options. The iQoo Pad 2 Pro comes in three sleek colors: Cosmic Black, Arctic Blue, and a special edition Solar Gold. Choose the one that matches your style. Battery life is another highlight. It packs a hefty 8000 mAh battery, and with 67W fast charging, you'll be back to full power in no time. And let's not forget the price. The iQoo Pad 2 Pro starts at $499 for the base model. Considering the specs and features, that's a pretty competitive price point. So there you have it, the iQoo Pad 2 Pro in a nutshell, a perfect blend of performance, style, and functionality. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves gadgets, this pad has got something for everyone. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. TechDevil. And remember, if you want to stay updated with the latest tech reviews and news, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.